Hey everyone, this is Greg from Purpose Blogger, and today I'm showing you the fast and easy way to post to Instagram from a Mac or PC. This trick can save you a lot of time and frustration, so let's dive right in and get started. If you're someone who runs an Instagram account, then you've probably noticed that there's no obvious way to upload a new post or photo if you're not on your phone. And this can be a little frustrating because if you're uploading a picture that isn't from your phone, if you came from a DSLR or somewhere else, some other source, then you first have to get that picture onto your phone. So you probably have some sort of workaround, like you email the picture to yourself, or you upload it to Dropbox or Google Drive, and then you download it to your phone, and then you post from there. And this works, but it takes extra time and it can get really annoying. Not to mention, if you're trying to do a lot of hashtags, you can copy and paste on your phone, but trying to drag those blue dots, trying to highlight and copy text on your phone, it's not that easier. It would be so much easier if only you could do it on your PC or your Mac. Well, guess what? You can. It's not hard. There's one little trick you need to know, and I'm going to show you that trick right now. Okay, so MacBook, PC, Mac, your laptop, whatever, it doesn't matter where you are. Step one is going to be to head on over to Instagram in your browser and go ahead and make sure you're logged in. So step one, make sure you're logged in. Now the next step is going to vary depending on what browser you're working in. I'm going to show you how to do this in Chrome, but this will work for a lot of other browsers. So here's what you're going to do. So I'm going to come up here under my Chrome menu, these three dots here. I'm going to drop down there. I'm going to come all the way down. I'm going to go into More Tools, and I'm going to select this Developer Tools. Okay? So Developer Tools, and it's going to go ahead and open up this window here. Now I'm going to close this for a second. I just want to show you can also use F12, the keyboard shortcut. This works on Windows. I'm not sure about Mac, but I'll double check that. But so F12 on your PC, and it will go ahead and it will open up this Developer Tools. The Developer Tools is a great set of tools. You can test the speed of your website, you can test the code, the CSS, and you can test it across different devices. So if you're not a web developer, you might not be familiar with this, but you might want to poke around here and see the other features. But today we're just going to show you how you can use this for this Instagram trick. And so up here in the top corner, this button right here, Toggle Device Toolbar, Control-Shift-M keyboard shortcut on Windows, this is the button you want to hit. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that now, and then I will drag it off to the side. And when you do that, you see up here on the top, you have this drop down, which will let you change the device that you are mimicking here in this Developer Tools. So I'm going to go ahead under here, and I'm going to choose any of these iPhones, and I'm going to go ahead and choose that. Now, if you don't see at the bottom that plus icon for adding a new post that you normally see when you're on your phone, just go ahead and hit the refresh button on your browser. You can also just hit the F5 shortcut on Windows. And then when I do that now, you should now see, give it a second to reload, this menu on the bottom. And then look, you have this plus button. And now you can work within this Developer Tools and use it just like you are on your phone. You'll notice as I scroll around here, you see this circle here, this highlighted circle, and that is just mimicking sort of the touch where you would touch on your phone. So if I just come down here with my mouse over this plus and I hit plus, then suddenly I can go on my computer where I have my pictures all organized for Instagram. So this is going to be so much easier. So I will just go ahead and open this purple flower shot, and then here I am right in exactly the type of interface that you see on your phone. So I can rotate this image if I want to. I can apply any filters that I want to apply. So everything works just the way it normally works on your phone with this one little trick. So I will just go ahead and hit next. And then of course typing in here is so much easier than typing on my phone. At least for me, I hate typing on my phone. So I'll just go ahead and give this a quick caption. So purple flower shot against a black background. And then I'll go ahead and hit share, and this will share directly to my Instagram, even though I am working on my PC. So go ahead and let that do that. Takes a moment, then I'll go ahead and pop up there and go ahead and I'll cancel that for now. And so then if I just come right under my account here, boom, I will see that this flower picture has gone right up on my account. And of course, if I come in and click in here, I can do anything I normally would do in here. So if I want to come in here and add a comment, I can just come in here, and usually I put my hashtags and comments. So I can just go ahead and grab a document that has some pre-made hashtags here that I like you to use for some macro photography. So I'll just go ahead and grab these, Control C. I will copy them. I will come up here and paste those right in. That's so much easier than if you do it on the phone. And again, I have some pre-made hashtags here. So if I want to throw in a couple of these flowers, floral hashtags, I will grab a couple more of these. And again, I'm just copying and pasting, so much easier, and go ahead and post that as a comment. And so just like that, on my PC, I've made it work like my phone really quickly, posted a new thing to my account, added the hashtags, so much easier, saves a lot of time over the phone. And of course, whenever you are done and you want to get back to your normal screen, just bring that DevTools window back open. Again, I had it in my second monitor over here, but you can also tap F12 on the keyboard and this will show back up. And then just hit the X button to close out of it. And as normally you do, boom, you're back to your normal Windows screen. If I just go back here to Instagram.com, we'll see that we're not in the threaded view. And so then it's just my normal browser. I am back to my normal browser. Look, I already got a like there on that new photo. So everything works and everything is working as it should. And there's that flower picture right like that. So that's so much easier. Let's real quickly just look at another browser to show this isn't limited to just Chrome. So here I am in Firefox. Again, step one, log into Instagram. And then I'm going to try that same F12 keyboard shortcut. And when I do, I get this similar developer console. And then if you come down over here under responsive design mode, boom, there it is, same thing. If I don't see that plus, I'm just going to hit refresh, and I'll hit the refresh. And then if I come down to the bottom here, after I've hit refresh, there it is, there's the plus. I can come in here and I can add something directly. So again, if I had come under this menu, I would have gone under Web Developer, Toggle Tools, and it'll bring up this toolbar. Again, the F12 keyboard shortcut works in most places. So just try different browsers, experiment around, get into this toolbar view, and then use the responsive design little icon. And then you can bring up and choose iPhone from the drop-down list, and then you can post directly to Instagram, even if you're working on your PC, your Mac, your laptop, your desktop. So learn this trick and you will make your Instagram life a lot easier. I hope you learned something helpful from this video. If so, please consider hitting that subscribe button below. Share this with any friends that might find it helpful. And even better, if you hit that bell icon below, then you'll get notified anytime I post a new video to this channel. This channel is dedicated to helping photographers and bloggers create better visual assets and grow their entrepreneur skills. So we hope to see you back here soon. Cheers and have an awesome day.